everyone, my name is Vidhi Saraswat and today this is podcast and now you can ask any question.
What are meaning of Vidhi?
Means
What is the meaning of your name, Vidhi?
Vidhi. My name is Vidhi, so Vidhi means moon, means Chandrama. So
Okay, you have completed your graduation?
yeah,
Graduation?
means no, I completed
Graduation.
12th class. Yeah,
You have passed graduation.
yeah.
What's your aim?
Aim. I want to become a doctor.
Which type of doctor do you want to become?
I want to become a heart surgeon.
So what you are doing for becoming a doctor now?
Firstly, I preparation for BSc nursing, and after that I have become a nurse, and after that I do NEET exam and MBBS. After that I become a doctor.
Okay, why you are wasting like 3 years for nursing? If
Because-
you do MBBS.
Yeah, but some problems are there, so that's why I choose firstly BSc nursing. After that I want to become a doctor.
Like you are not focused for your aim. Like you in your that means
Fear.
fear. Like you are fear of your future. So you want to do 2 things. Nurse
Yeah.
also and doctor also.
Yeah.
Okay, which quality should be in a doctor?
Qualities. Okay, so doctor is a very kind and we can say doctor is a second god.
But I don't believe. Because I have seen many.
If a doctor is kind, so how he treat or any
Do
patient and
operation.
he can do surgery of a patient if he is kind.
Doctor is kind to his patients, not a means.
I am talking about patient. If patient is injured,
His
too much,
behavior is very kind.
Like a
Yes.
And sometimes doctor is cruel to be kind. ऐसे जवाब दिया करो. He will have to be cruel to be kind. निर्दयी. He will have to be cruel to be kind.
Okay. So
Okay.
why do you want to learn English?
Because I want to become a means fluent speaker.
Why do you want to become a fluent speaker?
Because many people talk in English and English is a need
Why?
that time.
Why? Because our native language is maybe Hindi.
Yeah, but if you talk with a professional person, so he talk in English, not in Hindi and not in native languages.
How can you say it? Maybe all person have a native language.
Yeah.
So they
Yeah, but if you talk with a professional person, so he like to talk in English.
So you can say that time my native language is Hindi, so I am not able to speak in English, and I will speak in Hindi.
Like
So
professional
what is the
man
problem?
only speak in English.
Yeah, he like to speak in English.
Professional man can't speak Hindi.
He speaks Hindi, but he like to speak in English.
He likes.
Yeah.
But our language is Hindi. So what is the need to learn second language? What is the advantages of English?
We can talk with foreigners, and if we can do intro, so many intro only in English.
What the need to
Intro is
talk?
also in Hindi.
Okay, English is international language.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we can talk to each other in world also.
Yeah.
So what the need to talk with foreigners?
Like we
And
go-
why means foreigner will not change his language, means they will not speak in Hindi, but why do you want to speak in English, that person language, means Western language?
It is a mentality.
So why do you want to change your mentality only for that person?
Because I like it.
you like-
Foreigner.
So maybe
I
you
like to
should-
speak in English, not a foreigner.
Okay, so maybe you should learn Marathi, Bengali, like
No.
that. Because you don't like, you will not change your means everything for like Bengali person
No.
for. Why? Only for Western people.
Yeah. Sometimes I like it.
Why I choose this mania classes because there are so many kinds of institute of English. Then why are you come here? What kind
Because
of specialty you attract here?
because their environment is very best, and sir's behavior and ma'am behavior is very good, and their facilities is nice, and they teach very well.
Okay, so which type of facility English Mania provides?
Means good studies, matlab his teaching level is very good.
So how can you say and how can you judge without seeing any teacher, without any coaching? How can
Because I see institute.
you,
I see a so
I saw a institute in Krishnanagar.
You should correct the mistake if she commits.
So
That's why I choose English Mania. Chose.
Second form.
That's why I chose English Mania.
So now
What do you think about the American classes? Because it was also the oldest one.
I don't know about American classes because I am new in Mathura city.
okay,
What's
now
the birthplace?
My birthplace is Aligarh.
Okay, so please tell me something about Aligarh.
Aligarh is a nice place. It is famous for lock, and environment is also good.
What is the famous food of
Speak.
What is the famous food of Aligarh?
In Aligarh, famous food is khajula.
It's a sweet, but I am talking about food.
Nothing is special.
Nothing is special. Okay. So do you know what? How many places are there for visit?
Places.
Places are
In Mathura?
not in
In Aligarh.
In Aligarh? No, I don't know.
Why? Because it
Because-
is your birthplace.
Ha, Aligarh in Iglas. That's why.
Yeah, Aligarh also
you
your
belong to
district.
Inglas.
Yeah.
So what is the famous of Inglas?
Cham Cham is famous in Iglas.
Of
Yeah.
Rajya Seth.
Yeah, yeah.
And lock is also.
Since when you are living in Mathura?
Uh, after before 2 months ago.
So tell me about something in Mathura.
Means I don't know very big about Mathura, but something I know about
Can
that.
tell me with that something?
Okay, Mathura is a spectacular city. Means there is many spectacular temples, as Lord Krishna's birthplace, and Dwarkadhish temple, and many temples, and in Vrindavan Baki Bihari temple, Prem Mandir.
So which
Which
temple
temple
do you
have you-
like?
Visit.
No,
Yes.
which temple do you like?
What do you like most?
I want to visit in Prem Mandir
Why you chose the Prem Mandir to visit?
because Prem Mandir is a very beautiful and a very spectacular temple. That's
Have
why.
you seen?
No, only seen in videos and photos.
Which temple have you seen in Mathura?
And Vrindavan
Actually,
also.
Where you have visited?
No,
No
I
way.
don't see.
I think you don't have the interest into visiting the temples.
Yeah, but I like to visit temples, but मतलब मेरे पास कोई chance नहीं था.
I did not get a chance.
I did not get a chance to visit.
Okay, so what do you do in free time?
I use my mobile and some study videos and some funny videos also.
Okay, so what do you like to watch in your mobile?
In free time, Kapil Sharma show.
Okay, so much.
Okay, which education is better, online or offline? Like you study videos in your phone. So what do you think? Like coming here is better, or watching like English speaking class in home is better?
Offline class is better.
Offline? Why?
Yeah, because we can ask any question in a 1 second, 1 minute to teachers. But in online classes, we can wait many time. So that's why.
Not a too
But
much
in-
time.
But in online class, you save your 1 hour to 2 hour to coming and going to coaching and to
Yeah, online class is best, but not like offline classes.
How can you say?
Because of we can see our classmates and means our
Classmates.
okay, our classmates
So what is the need to see our classmates?
means we get motivation.
We can get.
We can get motivation.
How?
Means if your partner do very hard work,
Does singular.
does very hard work for his study, and so you can get motivated to your partner.
So you can also see online.
No,
Your partner means your classmate is doing very well.
how can we say?
We can see
Means
easily
how can we
because
see?
the teacher in online class, teacher also provide like exercise also. If
Okay.
your classmates do very well and like all question, attend all question, so you can see easily.
How can we see in live classes?
You don't
You
know
are-
what is
you-
the rule of live classes and why they conduct that
Means which
classes.
type of live classes?
you watches the
Right.
videos only. You don't
I
take the
I
live
also
classes.
take live classes.
Then how can you say that you can't? You can also conversation with your between your partners also in live class. What kind of live
Means-
classes did you take? Do
How
you
can
take?
we see?
So what is the
What kind
names?
of live classes did you take?
Means in YouTube, a channel.
That is one-sided. She has
One-sided.
Yeah.
one-sided.
Yes,
Did you
yes.
subscription? Did you take subscription?
No,
That's not
free
the live
classes.
classes. It's just a recorded video.
Yeah, it's just a demo,
yes.
not a live. We can say.
That's why you
So
can't.
maybe you
actually
should
know.
try online.
okay, I'll try.
So it was her misconception.
Yes.
So tell me the advantage and disadvantage of mobile phone.
Basic question.
Okay, there are many advantages and disadvantages of mobile phone. If I talk about advantages, so we get we get knowledge with mobile phone and
Through mobile.
through mobile phone, and we are connected with mobile phone to each other, and we can
We can connect. Na?
yeah
We can get connected.
Yes. You tell.
we can get connected to each other by mobile phone, and we can call with means someone else.
बिल्कुल होगा कि we can call anybody.
Okay, we can call anybody. So this is advantages, and if I talk about disadvantages, so we lost our eyesights.
We lose.
Okay, we lose our eyesights, and we lose our means ears, because we using Bluetooth.
Hearing power.
Okay, we lose hearing power because we are using Bluetooth, and we are very distracted with the studies, because there are many funny videos and movies and cartoons is also in mobile phone.
Okay. So according to you, mobile phone is good or bad?
Yeah, both.
Both good and
What happens if mobile phone doesn't exist?
If mobile phone doesn't exist, so means connectivities means low.
Communication will stop.
Yeah, communication will stop.
yeah, maybe it is sufficient.
So give her a huge round of applause.